Hey everyone there out in BCP land. I am here with none other than our spokesgoat, Billy Smokes. And we're here to talk to you because if you can believe it, Smoke-onos is only about 2 months away, less than 2 months away. This year has gone so fast, I don't even know. But we're very excited. We had a great time last year and we're really looking forward to bringing you an even bigger and better experience in 2026. So what we're doing today, we are giving you a look at everything that is in your general admission swag bag. So in addition to the pile of cigars that you will receive inside your bag on entry, we have got this awesome tactical backpack here. This thing has pockets for days. Oh, Billy wants it. See, Billy wants it too. Pockets for days on all sides. In the front, it's got your spot for your patches. It's got places for everything you would ever want to take anywhere in your life. And it's also got these great drink holders on the side. So you really can use this for anything you want. Now inside this swag bag, again, in addition to the awesome cigars, you've got the official Smoke-onos 2026 ashtray. This thing is amazing, look at this. It's made out of silicone. You can literally throw it off the roof, and we have, and it still stays in one piece. It'll bounce for you. You can also put this in an industrial dishwasher, which we've also done. So no problem keeping it clean, making sure that it stays in great shape. Obviously, looks like our logo with the mountains, and it has a couple cigar rests here too. So pretty cool, right, Billy? Next, we have the official Smoke-onos Starship Lighter Cutter Combo. This thing is amazing. This has everything that you will want for your cigar use. It's got dual flame. It's got a punch cutter right there. It's got a cigar rest with the Smoke-onos logo on it. And it's got your serrated guillotine cutter right there. So you really don't need another cutter lighter combo. And last but not least, probably most people's favorite part of this swag bag is this Flask cap tumbler. Now, of course, this thing looks great. It's a 20 ounce, but on top of that, nice little secret feature here. Every one of these comes with this 6 ounce reservoir. So you can put whatever you want in this, you can put whatever you want in this, and whatever you decide to put in there, then when you drink it, all you do is press the button and you mix your drink as you drink. So there we go. I think this is my favorite one, Billy. What do you think, yeah? All right, so this will also sit very nicely on the side here of your official Smoke-onos backpack. There you go. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at Smoke-onos 2026. And for any information, just check out the website at www.smokeonos.com for all the info. See you there.